chicken farming in Cambodia has seen innovative and sustainable methods that have significantly improved the livelihoods of local farmers. One such method is the happy chicken farming model, which has gained popularity for its simplicity, affordability, and effectiveness. Here's an overview of this amazing approach. Key features of the happy chicken farming method. Low-cost housing. Farmers use locally available materials like bamboo, wood, and thatch to build chicken coops. These coops are elevated to protect the chickens from predators and flooding during the rainy season. The design ensures proper ventilation and natural light, reducing the need for expensive equipment. Free-range system. Chickens are allowed to roam freely during the day, foraging for insects, worms, and natural vegetation. This reduces feed costs and improves the chicken's health and meat quality. At night, they return to the coops for safety. Local breed selection. Farmers prefer indigenous chicken breeds, which are well adapted to the local climate and resistant to diseases. These breeds also have higher market value due to their taste and texture. Sustainable feed practices. Farmers supplement the chicken's natural diet with kitchen scraps, rice bran, and other agricultural byproducts. This reduces reliance on commercial feed, making the system more cost-effective. Community-based approach. Many farmers work together in cooperatives or groups to share knowledge, resources, and market access. This collective effort strengthens their bargaining power and reduces individual risks. Disease prevention. Farmers use traditional remedies and basic hygiene practices to prevent diseases. Vaccination programs are also promoted by local NGOs and government agencies to ensure flock health. Benefits of the method. Economic empowerment. Rural families can generate a steady income by selling chickens and eggs in local markets. Food security. The system provides a reliable source of protein for households. Environmental sustainability. The free-range system and use of local materials minimize the environmental footprint. Cultural preservation. Indigenous chicken breeds are preserved, maintaining biodiversity and cultural heritage.